I'm Krishna Das, and we're here at the Sivananda ashram in the Bahamas. It's wonderful to be here at the ashram, to relax and rest and recharge, and also chant with the people who come here to chant, and usually for these long weekends. It's just fantastic. Sivananda, Bahamas is a wonderful place for many reasons. It's not just beautiful, the sand and the ocean and the beach, but it's an ashram, and which is very different from a retreat center, even a good retreat center. This is an ashram that has a tradition and a lineage for many, many years of people coming for a specific purpose, for a spiritual purpose, not for any other reason.
So we live our lives kind of navigating a minefield, or an imagined minefield, which becomes very real because of our fear. But how do we get over that? Practice. Spiritual practice. It's the only way. Because spiritual practice trains us to release our thoughts, to release ourselves from our thoughts, to release ourselves from all the different identities that have been adopted by us in this life. And all of those identities are limited, whereas the love inside of us is unlimited. But we have to know what that is. We have to find that. That's what this is all about.